Okay. According to me, money is not compulsory for happiness. Maybe if you have love, affection, and deep feeling, so you don't need money. Maybe money is not a matter in happiness.
Okay, so you talk about the love. So I just really want to say that you said that love, money is not important. So if you're saying that money is not important, so how will you fulfill your requirements? How will you fulfill your basic needs? Like everybody knows that for living your life, we need water, food, and shelter. But there is also money. Without money, there is no life. Without money, you can't do anything in your life.
But
Without money, there is no any respect. If you
I,
don't have money,
I agree.
your fam
I
sometimes.
agree with you. But we can't. We talk about the happiness. But you talk about the shelter, home, and like a luxury life. So that's not a sign of happiness. Happiness like we feel some good with someone. We comfort. We satisfied something like I have lot of money, but I not satisfied. So I can earn money a day, but I don't care my health. I care my feelings. That's mean that no matter to money. Uh,
So at that situation, not the fault of money. If you're just earning. You are not taking any benefit of money. So it's not all about. It's all about your mindset. If you're not doing something for yourself, this is not for the money. You are talking about that. I just talk about the shelter, food, and water. Why did I talk about this?
okay,
Because money is also. You talk about the love. Whenever a man who will give her daughter, a man who will give her daughter to who is stable in his life, who have a financial. You don't have if you are not financially independent. So who what who that
how?
person what person will give you your daughter, give his daughter to you,
Okay,
and how will you live your life without the money?
money making easy to exchange or things, not a love and affection. If you love someone, he care you like he earn money who's enough to survive of him, both like boys and girls. But if he don't love you and he don't love her, so that money is not a making him create any. He does not matter because without love, if I don't love my wife and he leave her, so that's where is money is uh, play a role. There is no play a role because money only exchange things, not love and affection. I love them, I will survive with them in any condition. But I don't love. I have lot of money. I leave her. Then she go anywhere and maybe he not survive and sometime maybe died or anything. So money is not play a good role in a life.
Okay, so that love about the love. If I talk, you can't feed your children. You can't feed your children just because of love. You can't fulfill your requirement. You can't fulfill your wife requirement. You can't fill your children's stomach. Your so you just talking about that money is nothing in life. So why are you earning? Why are you doing job?
Okay, let me. You said feeding of my child. When I used to village that time 1990 to 2005. Between this era, many candy vendor used to come in my village, and they don't take money. They take only like a wheat, like some grains, and me ice cream and candy. That time, no, in this process, money does not play any role. I give wheat, and he give me candy or ice cream. So without money, we can. I take who want I take it, took, and he want took me for me. So that's no money not play any role, and I feel happy. I felt happy, and he felt happy.
Okay, so talking about that time. So at that time, you used to live in village, not in city, but you are still willing. You are living in city, and for living in city, you have to. Which type of people can live in city? A labor and a man who is educated.
But
Without money there is no life, and you are talking about that that love is everything, and the happiness and the so in if you have money you can do whatever you want to do. You don't have money, people will say you that you are yokel, you are zinc person. People will say you, people will not respect you even. People will say you that you are an unfortunate person.
but that is the only show of respect, a show of love. I can't believe in like this. If someone love with me, so respect of me. I want to people do respect with heart, not a show of like for some greedy some type of when take benefit. If I do work for people, they give me respect with heart, and you told me happiness depend on your health, depend on your relative who love you, depend on your satisfaction. If you satisfy some things, you don't need a money. Like a devotee, he live in temple. He all time prayer for their God. He did sometime he don't take food, and he satisfied, and he will happy. He does happy. He don't need money. So what about you? What about that devotee? And some other guys, he come to temple. But he is not satisfied. Worrying about their business. He worrying about their status. So that's he has a lot of money, but he worrying about their condition. So maybe money is not play a good role, or is not important. Is not important to us. Happiness and loves and satisfaction all about.
You're talking about the temple. In temple, so why do people give donation in temple? And by the money and by charity, there is not the wrong thing which you do by with the money. You can do so many good things from the money. You can do you can do your something hospitality. You can give someone you can give someone that things which the person really needed in his life.
Okay, come on the topic. We invent the money. In 1000 VC to 3000 VC, between this era, we all water system. God, we give rice and take wheat. That is a water system. That time we felt like a rice price and wheat price not equal. And when I want to want rice, but the rice seller he did not need money or wheat. So that time that time we felt some problem. So that time their woman, they invented the money, that because we store and we anytime anywhere exchange with the things. So that is the only exchange. Their money is make easy to exchange things, not happiness. In my point of view, money is only play a role in exchange of things on about, not happiness, not relations, not anything like money will never satisfy you. Like Ambani, like Anant Ambani, he has a lot of money, but he made a very one time, but their fatness never reduced, and he is not he is now with their fat body. He will survive now because he has a lot of money, but he can't made his body a common person. So money not play a role.
You are talking about the barter system. That was that time. Now the time is modern. In modern time, there is no any type of barter system. And that time have too much humanity in their self. But nowadays, you will see that there is no any type of humanity in people. That if you are wandering in a street, if someone is beating to someone, so no one will come to save you. So money will save. People will say that it's their fight. So why will I be involved?
Money will save you.
If you will have money, you can call the police. If you will have money, you can call your friends. You can call the gangster, the biggest gangster. If you have money.
Okay, I will. You have.
So I will give you a situation. Okay.
Okay.
If suddenly.
I understand.
Let me speak.
Okay.
Okay. You're talking about that money is not everything. So okay, I will give you a condition that someone get at that situation, will your happiness will give you will affect your family or money? In that time, what will give you
That
help?
time I
Money
protect
or happiness?
That time I protect my family member.
But how? That if that get that I just want.
Okay,
So
if
at
I,
money, what will you give that person?
I have lot of money. Can I save my family? Like I have lot of money, but my body all organ fail. Can I revive it my body organ? Not that money only.
At that time, you can get the medicine, you can do the treatment, you can get the treatment very well
Okay,
just
if-
because of money. Don't have money, so how will you be survive in old age? You know, some in old age we know that there is so many olders who feel that they are burden. But if they have a pension, if they have a life secure policies, so at that situation they will not
But
feel
that-
that they are burden
but,
for the
how
family.
can you say
At
that?
that situation, the money will help them.
In this
Not the family.
in this sentence you said, in this sentence how can I said you feel like I am happy or my family will happy? There are no happy. We are survived. We are sleep on good bad. I can live in good house, but you are happy. Many people he live a rich family, but they can't. But they are happy because the happiness not come by money. Happiness come by the I said you with the love and other deep feelings, satisfaction. Like in ancient era, many man kingdom they don't satisfy with their areas, and they increase day by day like a Akbar, like a Samrat Ashok. He uh, uh, spread their empire all over the North South India and like Pakistan, Sindh, and Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq. But when he satisfied when he met with the Saint Buddha, and he converted to Buddhism after that. Now he's but when he was a king, rule all over India. But that time he was not satisfied. But when he was satisfied with the find a real peace or real uh, happiness. Now he satisfied and he leave their empire and go to the forest for their. That's all.